Hi guys, so this is how to set up wake up phrase for Bixby on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So you need to go to settings either from home screen or from control panel, then scroll down to advanced features, select Bixby, then go to voice registration. Here you can disable wake up phrase or change wake up phrase from Hi Bixby to Bixby. Set up wake up sensitivity, not now, thank you. Set up wake up sensitivity from low to high, and enable waking up even when media is playing. And now let's go back and go to talk to Bixby without wake up phrase. So you can enable or disable this feature and see for supported commands. So you don't need to say hi Bixby. You need to just, when you're receiving a call, you can just say answer phone or reject call. You can dismiss alarm or snooze and so on. So guys, hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and be awesome. Bye.